Hello from CFT. Our stock indicators got a little friendly midweek, which led to Friday's strong rally. Bitcoin followed the Nasdaq higher as expected. For those of you knowing of Elliott Wave, we were talking about a 5 green waves up and an ABC pullback. It does look like that will lead to higher prices. The thing that could stall it possibly is maybe we're looking for an ABC here beginning of the week, and then from there we will continue to work higher. So we're bullish. We did take some profits in the last 48 hours of 18 to 23% on a few alt positions. Otherwise, we are staying long our other positions for the time being. Nasdaq, again, middle of the week, indicators stayed friendly, led to Friday's strong rally. We look for stocks to continue higher at least until the middle of the week. On the dollar, we're still looking for a top to be made. We've showed a little longer term chart. We think the dollar is going to start trending down. And precious metals, we talked about wanting to be long. There was some weakness into Friday, then Friday reversed higher. We think precious metals can still work higher. Thank you.